Hi folks, Jesse with Stouffville Toyota. I am standing in the middle of our pre-owned lot. We've just announced that we're going to have our inventory blowout sale, and it applies to both new and used. The reason I am here is I want to pick out a certain piece that we haven't seen on our lot before. It's the 2016 Lexus RX 350 in an F Sport package. I'm gonna do a quick walk around. I'll go through some of the features. If you want to see the full spec sheet, just look at the comments below. Let's have a look, shall we?
Oh, life is bigger.
Like I said earlier, we are in the middle of our inventory clear out. We need to move some cars off this lot before the snow flies so that we can plow the lot, period. So please check out the full description in the comments below. Hit the thumbs up to like, and please share and subscribe. If you know anybody looking for some pre-owned vehicles, we'd love to chat with them. We'll see you next time.